So here's a bit of fun. This is Geranium phaeum Golden Spring, an absolute cracker. And just on the subject of aftercare, which I know people are like, oh yeah, whatever. This tray is sat within the unheated greenhouse, and I'm constantly juggling certain things, but when I come in and I see lots of lovely healthy growth on all of those, here's the test. If I was to say the sun is on my back, or will be when it comes up fully, and which is therefore these are facing the sun in the greenhouse. If you were to look at aftercare or juggling, what would you do? So this one here, for example, lots of growth, and it's in the front. And now if I come to the back here, this little one, the runt of the family, is struggling. So I'm going to put capped, and even at the back there's a smaller one, not got so much foliage. So Captain Big Boots is going to go to the back because it's already got lots of lovely foliage. These are all looking similar-ish. And then I'm going to move that one back there. I'm going to put this one in more of an optimum position for the sun, and that one next to it. Equally, there's one with less foliage, so juggling again, something I do all the time. Much like turning your house plants around, because leaves will blot out others. So put the big boots towards the back, a bit like the foliage situation, blocking things out. So yeah, I think that's okay. This one's a bit smaller. I know I'm being finicky, but you get the best growth rate then. So if you look at that, look, I'll just bring you up and around. This is the sun here. So bring it back round. That's juggling there, so you get the best sun. Okay, hope that makes sense, because leaves will always just cover other plants, you know, and some things then dip out. So yeah, good job.